Meet the bluejay, a stunningly beautiful bird native to North America. This American native is known for its striking blue and black feathers, white chest, and a distinctive crest on its head. But did you know that bluejays are more than just eye-catching creatures? Let's delve into the fascinating world of bluejays. First, let's discuss bluejays' origin. Bluejays belong to the Corvidae family, which also includes crows and ravens. They evolved around 5 million years ago in North America, with their current form appearing around 2 million years ago. Now, let's discuss their unique physical features. The blue color of a bluejay's body isn't due to a pigment but rather to a structure called a structural color in their feathers. This structure scatters blue light, giving the bird its striking blue hue. The white chest of the bluejay is another fascinating aspect. This patch of white helps to distract predators, as the bluejay can flash this area when under threat. This clever trick, known as flashing, is a survival tactic used by bluejays to divert attention away from their more vulnerable parts. Bluejays are also known for their intelligence. They possess problem-solving skills, can remember the locations of food sources for months, and even use tools. In fact, a study found that bluejays can remember the location of over 6,000 food sources in a single year. One interesting application of bluejays' intelligence is their ability to mimic the calls of other birds, including the red-tailed hawk and the red-shouldered hawk. By mimicking these calls, bluejays can warn other bluejays of danger, increasing their chances of survival. Bluejays are also social birds, forming flocks during the winter months. These flocks provide warmth and protection from predators. Interestingly, bluejays are monogamous during the breeding season, with each pair nesting in a tree cavity, often choosing an old woodpecker hole. Bluejays are a vital part of North American ecosystems. They help control pest populations by eating insects, berries, and nuts. Their role in seed dispersal is also important, as they bury acorns and other nuts in the ground, which then grow into trees when the seeds germinate. In conclusion, bluejays are more than just beautiful birds. Their unique features, intelligence, and social behavior make them fascinating creatures. So, the next time you see a bluejay, remember to appreciate this vibrant feathered friend of North America.